Budget LS Factory 5 Roadster inventory and back order list coming right up. Looking at this back order list, there's 75 items on here. The more notable items, I have no coils for the shocks. Steering wheel didn't make it. Neither of the harnesses made it. The whole front windshield assembly did not make it. Neither roll bar. The front spindles, fuel tank, disc brakes for the front, the aluminum radiator, and the front lower control arms with the ball joint did not make it, and the 17-inch Hildebrand replica wheels with the tires did not make it. But I mean, I don't blame Factory 5. Dave Smith on the YouTube channel that they have has made it clear that they're doing the best they can, and it's COVID supply chain problems, and he's a stand-up guy and I believe him. I'd rather have the kit with missing parts than wait until a year, 2 years, until there's a guarantee of no backorder items and then receive the kit. So I'm just gonna have to get started, and where there's missing parts, I'm gonna have to skip it and go back. The first thing that's gonna hold me up are those front lower control arms. After you remove the body, mark the aluminum, remove the aluminum panels, you install the F panels on the front, and then you get started on the front suspension. And not having those lower control arms with the ball joints in them is gonna hold me up, but I'm just gonna have to skip it and move on. Next video, we're gonna find and buy an LS engine. Thanks for watching.